Okay guys, so today we're going to be discussing the dumbbell bench press and how to actually execute this without any injuries, with very minimal pain, and also how to keep yourself nice and stable and executing it with just the way we're after. So point number one, we want to be able to get the dumbbells up. How do we do that? The first point is that we want to start ourselves seated with the dumbbells resting on the tops of our knees. From here, we're going to flick the weight up. We're going to go pop one, pop two, and roll back down. Now, from this position, what I'm already looking to do is take my feet and place them underneath my backside. A lot of people get themselves in strife with their feet because they're all the way out here and they're not nice and tight through their legs. They're not creating what they call leg drive. So what I want you to concentrate on is placing your toes underneath your backside as far as you can. So we're looking to create this angle here. We want to avoid being flat because when we push down, we're already pushing into the ground. We want to be up on our toes, and by pushing down with our heels, we're creating tension through our quads, and we're going to get that leg drive. So if you watch me already, pushing down, and I'm nice and tight through my hips and my legs, and I'm nice and stable. From here, what I'm also looking to do is pull my shoulder blades back and down towards my backside here. So my shoulder blades are going to sit in my back pockets. By doing so, we're shoring up our back and we're creating a nice flat back for you to press from. When we're rounded or when we're flat, what happens is that in the top of the pressing point, our shoulder blades start to take, or our shoulder or our anterior deltoids start to take over the press. And that's when we get ourselves into some strife when it comes to shoulder issues and things like that. So again, what I'm looking to do is from this position, we've just come up from the dumbbells 1 and 2, we're flat, we're placing our toes underneath our backside and we're pushing down. Shoulder blades back and down, and from this position you can see that I am arching my back. That is exactly what we're after. When our feet are flat and our shoulder blades are back and down, you can see that arch just isn't quite as high. So we want to place our feet underneath our backside, drive down towards the ground, arch that back up, and notice how much more pronounced my chest is. But our job's not done yet. A big issue I find when we're in this position and we start to fatigue, or better yet, just naturally, people are breathing all incorrectly. When we breathe, we take a big deep breath in, we expand our chest, and as we breathe out, we concave. And you can see when I breathe out, my shoulders want to roll off. This is where we're going to get ourselves in strife again. So by breathing out, we're going to concave. So when we're in this position, we're looking to put our shoulder blades back and down, heels towards the ground, and we're going to press. Now we're going to take that big deep breath in, expand our chest, rise it up even more, and then we're coming down and we're going to press. Once we breathe at the top and we come back down again. Take that big deep breath in, down and press. You can see that when I breathe out, or a common mistake, people breathe out at the bottom, so they come down and breathe out and they lose it. So we're going to go again, big deep breath in, shoulder blades back and down, heels pushing towards the ground, down, press, keep that chest up nice and tall, don't concave, don't breathe out. Breathe out at the top. Okay. You also notice that when I came down, my hands were at a 45, so I'm coming down on this angle here. And the reason being is that if you look, most people come at a right angle, or taught to come out at right angles. When you come out at a right angle, you can actually see that not a great deal of my chest is activated. But if I come in right close, you can see how much my chest is activating from this position here. You can see it roll up. So we want a nice happy medium. We want to come down, press up, press 1, 2. So again, we'll go through the whole process. 1, start with the dumbbells, up on the knees, flick, 1, 2, roll back. From here, feet underneath the backside, 1 and 2, push down, shoulder blades back and down, chest pronounced, big and tall. Number 3, big deep breath in, down, press at a 45. And that there, team, is how you want to execute your dumbbell bench press.